Hey guys, this video is gonna be me taking down 2-month-old braids. I had crochets in. I just took the crochets out. My hair is looking a hot mess. But if you want to see me how I condition my hair when I'm about to do a wash, to get minimal shedding, just keep watching. Thanks. Okay, now that I washed my hair and everything, also, I forgot to tell y'all guys, when you wash your hair, I do not detangle yet. Stay with me. I do not detangle yet. And what I do is I just basically get my, let me get it. What I basically is I use this and I scrub my scalp. I don't even touch my ends, I just wash it out. Make sure it's all washed out. The mask I made. Then I wash out with warm water, and then like that when I know it's like all of it's out, I'll go ahead and wash up whatever. Then I get real hot. I mean, not hot, but you kind of like a steam. It's concept to open up your pores as much as they can. So you don't have to do this, but I get my hair as hot as I can, open up my pores. And then what I did was I put in a general mask, like a mask that you don't have to make, or you can do another mask you already made. But I like to use different masks. I just like them. So this is what I have that I just use. I love it. I can already tell I love it. And I put it in my hair while my hair is, the pores is, and I'll just massage it in the shower, and then I just got out. So what I'm doing now, this is like a 3-day process. So if you got something to do your hair, I mean, you know what, you do this all in the same day. But this is what I do when I got time. I really don't want to detangle my hair. I usually do it on the weekend, so I got a whole stretch to do how I want to do my hair. But anyways, when you do that, after I do that, I just let this sit in there for, last time I let it do a day, but I don't gonna have time today. I don't think I'm gonna have time today. I'm gonna have to wash it out. But you can do it 15 minutes, whatever. It's just the concept of getting your hair as strong as it can before you start combing out. I mean, detangling, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I've noticed when I do that extra steps, it has provoked hair fall, hair loss. So I do that. And then also, if y'all want to see my spray that I use, my leave-in spray, I use for anything. I use it in my braids. I use it, and I can tell because I was more paying attention to this side, as you can tell, than this side. That's why I know it works, because I didn't do anything different. You know, nothing was different on this side and that side besides this. I was using this more on this side. I was paying attention to this side more because this side used to be shorter. Now this one's shorter.